Hello everyone! In the previous discussion, you have learned some commonly used measurements in chemistry. In this video, I will discuss sources of errors in measurements. The discrepancies usually observed between the experimental and theoretical results can come from many different sources. These sources of errors can be grouped into three main types, namely systematic or determinate errors, random or indeterminate errors, and the gross errors. First, let us talk about systematic errors. Systematic errors are those that can be attributed to definite causes. They are often reproducible and can affect the accuracy of the results. Systematic errors can be predicted and eliminated if the experimenter thoroughly understands the fundamental aspects of measurement. Systematic errors can be classified as operative errors, method errors, and instrumental errors. Operative errors, also called as personal errors, are caused by the incompetence of the experimenter. This type of error may result when a color-blind experimenter performs a color-dependent measurements, or when an experimenter has bias for even numbers over odd numbers. Another is the method errors are caused by non-ideal chemical or physical behavior of the reaction system. For example, a reaction of interest does not go to completion or when impurities are present in the sample being tested. And lastly, we have the instrumental errors are caused by failures or imperfections of the measuring device. This type of error may result when weighing balances are used without being calibrated. Then we have the random errors. Random errors are inherent to the measuring apparatus. They cannot be reduced by the experimenter, especially when finer measurements are obtained. The uncertainties in burettes or pipettes are expressed as a positive-negative value are example of random errors. Random errors affect the precision of measurements. And lastly, we have the gross errors. Gross errors are those that are severe enough that the measurement or the entire analysis altogether has to be repeated. This type of error results in outliers, which are measurements that are isolated from all other measurements. An example of this error is the unnoticed spill of a substance while measuring its mass. So, all types of errors affect the distance of the experimental value from the expected value. Minimizing some of these errors can give a result that can be comparable to the expected result. So, those are the sources of errors in measurements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something.